Hey guys, it's Bethany. I saw the comments that were requesting a carrot cake video, so guess what? Ask and you shall receive. So today you are going to see me attempt to do a cooking vlog for a carrot cake. So we're going to start with our wet ingredients and add our oil, our granulated sugar, our brown sugar, 6 eggs, vanilla, and we're going to mix all the wet ingredients together. Then we're going to sift our flour, baking soda, cinnamon, sea salt, nutmeg, cloves, and baking powder. So we're going to make sure that that's all well mixed together so that way we don't get a clump of something gross. We add our grated carrots, mix it all together, and now we just have to bake it in our greased pie pans. So the fun part is getting to ice the cake. So we're going to make our cream cheese icing, but before that I have to make sure everything is layered evenly. So we're going to do 3 layers of this cake. And in the meantime, I'm going to make our fondant carrots. So fondant is kind of cool. It's kind of like edible Play-Doh. And then you can just kind of like make it look all rustic, and it's okay if it's not perfect because in nature carrots aren't perfect anyway. Then we're gonna make a hole for the top so that way we can make some space for the green stems. And there you go. Now we can decorate it with the carrots, and I chopped up some walnuts to put on the top of it. And then there you go. It's our homemade carrot cake. So this is the finished product. It's a carrot cake. It looks like a carrot cake. It smells like a carrot cake. It even has a cute little fondant carrot on it. So thank you very much for staying with me and watching me as I learn how to vlog a cooking channel. And please subscribe or press like and leave a comment, and I will make whatever you request. Thanks, bye.